everyone, it's Arlene from Arlene's Creations, and today I'm going to show you how I made my 1-point chicken fingers. I did get the chicken tenders from Stop and Shop. They were on sale, half price. So I'm just going to be opening up the package and rinsing them off. And the breading that I bought, now that they're all clean, they're in a bowl, I'm going to crack an egg just so that the breadcrumbs have something to adhere to. Now, these breadcrumbs I got from the Dollar Tree, and they're a seasoned coating mix, and it's 8 points for one package. But I'm not going to use one whole pack. I'm going to use a half a pack. So it's going to bring it down to 4 points. I really just loved the seasoning that's in this box. It was a little spicy. I could taste the cayenne, the paprika. It was a really good blend. So I'm just weighing the pack. It came with 2 packages inside the box. So each one weighed 2 3/8 ounces. So I'm just going to be splitting that bag in half and taking half out. And like I said, the spice blend was delicious. I've never seen them before. The name of them is Loretta, and I found them at the Dollar Tree. So it does come with a bag, with 2 bags that you can shake your chicken or your pork or whatever it's like a shake and bake almost. So I'm just putting half of the breadcrumbs into the shaker bag. And I'm only making myself 4 chicken tenders. The rest of them I will be using regular breadcrumbs and putting oil on the grill and frying them up for my husband for his dinner. So I'm only doing 4 for myself. And all 4 pieces of chicken are going to equal 4 points. Also, at the end of the video, I will be showing you an awesome ranch dressing with a little bit of a twist to dip them in, and they're delicious. So I'm just beating up the egg. Since I'm breading all of them, I just have them all in the bowl. But like I said, 4 of them are going to be for me with this spicy blend of breadcrumbs from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to plug in my grill and get that heated. I'm going to heat the grill to about 350 to 375. I'm going to also be spraying the pot where I'm cooking my 4 to the right of the grill with the olive oil cooking spray. I ended up spraying the whole grill, but on his side I actually put some olive oil. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take 4 of those chicken tenders and put them in the bag with the breadcrumbs. And I was reading on the package, there's garlic, onion powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, all different types of spices, and the blend was just so good. I really enjoyed them. So next time you're at the Dollar Tree, even if you're not on Weight Watchers and you just want to make some nice spicy chicken fingers, pick up that box of Loretta because you won't regret it. I just thought they were delicious. I like spicy foods though. So here I am. I'm just shaking my 4 tenders in the bag with half of the breadcrumbs. Like I said, I weighed it out, and it was 2 3/8 for the whole package. So I did 1 1/8 or whatever I did ounces of the breadcrumbs. So now that I'm mixing that all up, I don't know what happened to the voice on my camera, but I must have muted it. I mean, I was going to do a voiceover anyhow, but I just don't even seem to have any noise in the background at all. So I don't know what happened with this video. I'm trying to I'm trying to figure out how to do videos on my phone and put them onto YouTube. This camera that I'm using isn't the best. My good one broke. So I'm struggling a little bit with what device to use to make my videos. So anyhow, I digress. So what I'm doing now is I'm just going to be putting my 4 tenders on the grill to start getting those cooked. And then all those other chicken fingers that are in the bowl with the egg, I'm going to just do regular breadcrumbs for those. There was a little bit of breadcrumbs left in the bag, so I'm just putting it, dumping them out and sticking them to the chicken. Because like I said, they were so flavorful. I wanted all that flavor. Because chicken can be very bland. And we need spice in our lives. So I'm just taking the rest. Hey, if I'm going to charge myself a point for each one, I might as well get all the breadcrumbs, right? That's the way I look at it. So anyhow, now the other ones, like I said, I'm just going to be doing with regular breadcrumbs. I am going to put some oil on the other end of the grill and just do them regular for my husband. He doesn't really like too much spice, so that's why I didn't use this. Now we have some sound. But I'm still going to do a voiceover anyhow. I just don't know why the background noise wasn't in the other clips. So mine are cooking very nicely. Getting nice and browned. Smells delicious. Looking so forward to eating this. I was just showing again the name. 8 smart points for 1 pack. So if you could cook these all ahead of time and do 8 fingers for the 8 points and then just store them in the refrigerator or do your meal prep or whatever. Even if you just wanted 2 chicken fingers for a meal or for a lunch, you could have that. Do it that way then. So now I'm putting the olive oil on the grill. Again, there's no sound now. Don't know what's going on. But anyhow. Now my husband's, I'm just putting in regular breadcrumbs. I could have used the regular as well, but like I said, I wanted to try those and I really like the spices that are in it. If you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, there'll be a subscription button coming up in the right-hand corner of the screen. You can click on that subscription button. I am going to be doing Weight Watchers videos, a weigh-in, a shopping haul, a cook with me, and what I eat in a day. So I'm going to be doing 4 of those a week. I'm going to be doing 1 soaping video a week and 1 DIY, like a craft or how I decorate something in my house. So I'm trying to do a little something for everybody, but it's really keeping me on track with Weight Watchers by doing these videos. It's helping me because I know I have to get a video up and I want people to follow me and my journey. So that's why I'm like kind of just doing most of these Weight Watcher videos, the past couple of, like the week or 2. And I haven't posted like any other videos, but I'm just trying to, figure out what days I'm going to do what. So I'm just going to continue to cook this chicken. And then I'm going to show you the dip that I make. The dip is absolutely delicious, and it's 0 points. So I actually ate 2 of these for dinner with some vegetables and with the dip, and I saved the other 2 for lunch for the next day. I should have sped this up a little bit. I'm sorry. Like, I know you don't want to see me dipping chicken. But I'm already processing this, so I don't know if I could go back in and speed it up. but it's ending in a second anyhow. Oh, then we have sound again. All right. So chicken's looking awesome. I really love this grill. This is actually my second one. The other one I have to return because even when it was on warm, it just got extremely red hot and burned everything. So this is the griddle from Curtis Stone. So I will be returning my other one, and this is a brand new one. Well, there's my chicken. It smells so good. Now I'm just going to continue to cook my husband's, which I'll probably give him 4 for dinner. And then he's going to have 4 in his lunch. Because I always, whatever I cook for dinner, I make for him, I make extra so that he has lunch for the next day. He brings his lunch to work. And this grill was purchased from HSN. So if you're interested, I'll put the link below. Now for the delicious dip. I have the ranch seasoning, Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning in the packet. And I have my Chobani non-fat Greek yogurt, plain. And I have in the jar there my everything but the bagel spice, which I added some caraway seeds to, some extra sesame seeds, and some extra poppy seeds. So now what I'm doing is I'm just taking 1/4 cup of the yogurt. And I like it to be really ranchy. I at first just put in like a teaspoon of the ranch dressing. But I ended up adding more, and like a teaspoon of the everything but the bagel seasoning. And to that seasoning, I love it on different things, but if you get an everything bagel in the bagel shop, it has the caraway seeds in it. You know, that's in rye bread, and I love rye bread, but that seasoning doesn't. So I just buy the caraway seeds on the side in a jar, and I add them. And it adds such an awesome different flavor. So here I'm doing 1 teaspoon. Actually, I think it's a 1/2 teaspoon of each. But then when I tasted it, I liked it more with more ranch flavor. So, and it's 0 points because of the yogurt. And it's just so delicious. And the chicken, because the chicken was like spicy from that breadcrumbs, that really cooled it off a lot. It was just such a delicious mixture. Yeah, see, I'm adding, so that was a 1/2 tablespoon of each, and now I went back in and I added another 1/2 tablespoon of each to bring it up to a tablespoon of each. And that was 1/4 cup of the yogurt. It really is a good dip for like 0 points. So there you have, and each chicken finger is only 1 point. I was going to dip it and take a bite, but I said, oh no, I'm going to wait. So I'm just going to have 2 and put it in the dip. And that'll be it. I'm going to refrigerate that now, because I'll be heating up my dinner later. So I appreciate everybody watching. If you're not subscribed, please hit that subscription button. Please hit the notification bell so you know when another video is coming up. And if you're following me and you're on Weight Watchers, every Friday when I get home from my meeting at 6 o'clock, I will be posting a video and showing you my phone, the app on my phone, whether I lost or whether I gained. So thanks everyone, and everyone have a blessed day.